You're buttoning it wrong. He wouldn't be at the front. He wouldn't be at the front. Well, I'm gonna take a chance. Just keep a lookout on him. Spread out. Our team's gone. Hit! 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 Joshua! Bang bang! Infected! They're over there! Go. That was fast. They're kind of done for. Is Josiah down? What's he doing then out in the middle of the open? Can he shoot me from here, you think? Oh, okay. Go in for the kill! Stupid mag. Hang on, I'm down. I gotta wind up my mag. Saz, going to your right. You're dead now. Where is he? Am I in range of him? Keep Kyle from getting near me. Where's Kyle? Careful, Josiah's right there. Where's Kyle? We shouldn't have in the same tree. Bad idea. Go over there, right there. He's retreating. He is. Wilson, come on. Where is he? I see Josiah. Oh, I see them. Get rid of Josiah. Or try and get Josiah on our teammate. What? We gotta get rid of Kyle. Or actually get him on our team more like. keep in your position. I'll try and get around to the side of Kyle. You're infected now. Take down Josiah. Kyle, watch out. He's shooting at you. Kyle. No, he's infected. So shoot at him. Just surround him. I'm gonna go in front of you. Wait, don't go on the median. Kyle, go to his go to our left and surround him. Jared, don't go that far. Guys, back over this way. Jared. You just got lucky. You just like stood there and popped out in like the last second.